Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students, young professionals, and tech lovers, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are thinking about buying a tablet or wondering if it fits your needs, this is for you. Many people feel confused choosing between a laptop, smartphone, or tablet. Tablets look sleek and portable, but you might wonder if they are powerful enough, useful for work or studies, or worth the money. Don't worry, here's something helpful for you: tablets' advantages and disadvantages information from Youthbuddy. To explore this, visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the technology section, scroll down and open the devices under the computers category and select the tablet post on that page. First, let's talk about portability. Tablets are super lightweight and compact. You can easily carry them in your bag, even hold them in one hand. Whether you are traveling, sitting in a cafe, or moving between classes, tablets are extremely convenient. Next, the touchscreen interface. This is one of the biggest advantages. It's very simple and intuitive. You just tap, swipe, and scroll. This makes tablets very easy to use, especially for kids and even elderly users who may not be comfortable with complex devices. Then, battery life. Tablets usually last longer than laptops when you are doing basic tasks like reading, watching videos, or browsing. So if you don't want to carry your charger everywhere, this is definitely a plus. After that, media consumption. Tablets are amazing for watching movies, reading ebooks, or browsing social media. The screen size is bigger than a phone, so the experience feels much better and more comfortable. Also, instant on and off. Unlike traditional computers, tablets start almost instantly. No waiting time, just switch on and start using. This saves time and makes everything smoother. Moving on, note-taking and presentations. If you are a student or someone attending meetings, tablets can be very useful. With a stylus, you can take notes, draw diagrams, or even present your ideas easily. Next, the app ecosystem. There are millions of apps available for education, productivity, entertainment, and more. Whatever your need is, there's probably an app for it. And finally, affordability at entry level. There are many budget-friendly tablets available that can handle basic tasks like studying, reading, and browsing without costing too much. First, limited processing power. Tablets are not designed for heavy tasks like advanced video editing or high-end gaming. If you need serious performance, they might not be enough. Next, no full keyboard. Typing on a screen can be slower compared to a laptop. Yes, you can connect an external keyboard, but that adds extra cost and setup. Then, limited storage. Many tablets come with less internal storage, which means you might run out of space quickly if you store a lot of files or apps. After that, multitasking limitations. Compared to laptops or PCs, tablets are not as efficient when running multiple apps at the same time. This can slow down your workflow. Also, they are fragile. Since most tablets are screen-based, they are more prone to cracks and damage if dropped. So you need to handle them carefully. Next, limited ports. Unlike laptops, tablets usually have fewer connectivity options. You might not get multiple USB ports or HDMI support easily. High-end tablets can be expensive, sometimes nearly as much as laptops, yet with less flexibility. Overall, they offer a great balance of portability and functionality, making them ideal for students, casual users, and travelers. But for heavy work or advanced multitasking, a laptop is still the better choice. For everyday tasks like learning, entertainment, and light productivity, tablets are versatile and easy to use. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the technology section on the Youthbuddy website. Open the devices under the computers category and select the tablet post on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.